Here. What's up, bro? Alright guys, so I hope you guys are having a good day. So I've been holding off on this install because I wasn't sure, but today I was at work and I was like, you know what? Let's just see how it looks. We're finally gonna throw on the Seibon trunk. Hopefully it looks good. If I don't like it, guys, I'm probably just gonna sell it. The trunk is like pretty much pristine, so yeah, it's gonna be a test fit at the same time. If I like it, I'm gonna stick with it. Not sure if I'm gonna keep my duckbill since it is black, so I might just look for another carbon fiber duckbill. But yeah, let's unwrap this thing. Alright guys, so here's the trunk. Just had to take off these pieces of wood, but guys, the trunk is nearly perfect. Literally the only blemish, I don't even know if the camera will pick it up, right there if it focuses. That's literally it, guys. So pretty stoked. I'm really happy there's like no dents or cracks or anything, but yeah, I forgot that we're gonna have to take off the latch and take out the harness and put in this shit, but it shouldn't be too bad. And there's no holes for the third brake light.
Put the wing on it.
So I'm gonna have to put the wing on it no matter what, guys. Oh man. Yeah, I mean, you can see where the holes would be made, but I don't even want to drill into this, so whatever. I guess the wing is going on until I buy a carbon fiber one.
Paint it black.
Paint this black?
No, the wing.
Oh yeah.
To match your car.
Yeah, I'll probably have to end up painting the wing, guys, because yeah, I'm not drilling holes into this. No thank you. Alright guys, so since the trunk is already mounted, I think it's gonna be just easier just to rip off the wing since it's on there already. And guys, I don't know if you guys remembering when you guys saw me first put on the duckbill, you guys are like, oh, 3M tape, blah 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 blah. Guys, 3M tape is so underrated. This lasts like over 100 miles per hour and I don't see it flim or anything. It's like on there solid. It's even gonna, I bet you it's gonna be hard to rip it off, guys. Like 3M tape is so underrated. As long as you get the heavy duty stuff, like it's been on there for a good while already, so
I don't want to break it. I'll leave that to you.
yeah, I think it'll be, well, if we pick it up on each side, but yeah, I'm gonna rip off the wing.
There's that.
Yeah, full force, guys. We can't even rip it off, so that says a lot. So I'm gonna try to look for some wire so we can yeah, you guys can literally see the trunk popping up with it. So I'm gonna look for some wire, hopefully slide it in there. But guys, don't underestimate 3M tape. All right, wing is off. You can see all the residue from the 3M tape. I guess that's the only downside to 3M tape. But when I take off this trunk, I'm probably gonna clean it since it is gonna be off. If I store it away with how dirty it is, and you know, there's bird shit right here, it'll probably be really hard to clean later. So I'm gonna clean it right now, and yes, guys. So if you have an S2000, like, just keep in mind, literally everything's gonna go in the trunk. So yep, I'm used to having back seats, so all of this would have been in the back, but I get you clean out my trunk now, so I guess that's a plus. So guys, I've never taken off my trunk before, and literally the trunk is already light as is. I probably maybe like a pound difference from the other one, so whatever. It's for looks. Honestly, guys, they probably weigh the same. Watch. What do you think?
There you go.
Yeah, they probably weigh the same. Whatever. Alright, guys, let's see if we got first try. Should look the way up. Oh, no. Oh, wow.
Oh, we gotta adjust it.
Oh, yeah. So it's poking up just a tad, guys. But other than that, the fitment looks pretty good. We just need to lower it. Damn. And a little bit to the right, maybe?
Yeah, I gotta shoot this way.
Yeah. Oh, not too bad, though. But, yeah, let's adjust it real quick. Alright, we pretty much got the fitment. Now we're just gonna mess with the latch so we could bring the trunk all the way down, get it really nice and flush. But, guys, since there's no weight of that, and since I guess the carbon fiber trunk might be just a tad lighter, look how fast it comes up. Fuck, I'm a little scared. You wanna stop it?
Go.
Yeah, it almost springs up immediately. So yeah, we're gonna mess with the latch and hopefully we get a nice and flush. Alright guys, so we're about to go eat right now, but I'm gonna stop by the store after and buy some materials to paint the wing. I also gotta take my time and take off all this tape. It's gonna be tedious, but yeah guys, I really don't think the wing will look bad if I paint it like a gloss black to match the car. So alright guys, stopping by Leo's house. This is what the trunk looks like in the sunlight. Looks so badass. Honestly, it's gonna look way better with the duck bill on there because these little indents kind of throws it off. But other than that, you can pretty much get the idea. So the spoiler should have enough stickiness for me to just mock it up and show you guys how it would look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the bill out the spoiler. I mean out the trunk, and yeah, I'm gonna just throw it on there. Alright, Leo, you got a bike?
Fuck yeah, no.
Alright guys, back at Leo's, and I kind of just said whatever, and I started painting the wing, and actually guys, it's not coming out bad. I'm doing like light strokes, you see like how...
What kind of strokes?
What's up?
What kind of strokes?
Some really, light strokes, just, barely the tip in. But where's the paint? So we have a lot of paint just laying around, so I grabbed this. It's some Home Depot paint. Gloss black, and guys, it's really not laying that bad, so I'm gonna keep doing light coats, just to tip in, and we'll see how it comes out. Pretty confident though. I currently left the wing outside to bake in the sun. All the coats are done, so I'm waiting for it to dry. Then I'm gonna hit it with some clear coat. But guys, remember that guy that I went to pick up the carbon fiber parts from Seibon? Xander, Jesse's cousin. Well, I never showed this guys, but he actually freaking hooked me up with the ITR strip bar. Legit as fuck. So it's just chilling in the engine bay right here because why not? It looks pretty damn OEM. But guys, yeah, big shout out to Xander. He really just, that same day that we dropped off all the carbon fiber parts and all that same day he'll just like, hey bro, you want this? I'm not gonna throw it on, because he has the EK sedan, and I was like, yo, why not, bro? So huge shout out to Xander. So that is gonna be going in the Civic. Very.
Does this fit?
Yeah, I just gotta drill out the holes.
Oh.
Yeah, my Civic has the holes, but they're not there. We just had to drill them out. But yeah, he'll show me in his engine bay. But
Oh, he had it on his car?
well, he'll show me where they go. But yeah, guys, maybe might polish it right now. But yeah, that's really freaking dope, dude.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What are you gonna do? You gonna polish that?
No, I'm gonna fucking varnish it.
Oh,
Everyone's gonna hate me.
why?
Don't already will.
You have varnish already?
Yeah, the varnish from the skateboard. On top.
Oh, alright, there. So yeah, I got this little side project going on right now. About to restore this wheel. We need to touch up on something just really quick. So when that video that went up about the EF, where it went to the, you know, the yard. So remember how the video had really choppy audio the whole time? Well guys, we actually talked about something very important, but the audio was so messed up that I didn't even include the clip. But guys, when we went to the track, I don't know if we talked about it, but when we went to the track, Leo, when he put the EF on top of the trailer, it got stuck. So literally, like, the little guard scraped the whole, like, underneath of his chassis and put like a big gash, like, right
on the frame rail.
Right on the frame rail, guys. So like a big gash, like right in this frame rail, guys. Like, so the trailer really kind of messed it up. So we didn't talk about it, but that's kind of like a long-term issue, guys. So he didn't even know about it until he was parting out the car. So I mean, a lot of you guys were like, why would you throw away a mint EF and all that? It was
honestly, the car wasn't really that mint. The fenders, I mean, the fenders are replaceable. Well, one thing that really bugged me a lot were the quarter panels, because back when I had the Watanabes on the car, I did have to run adapters, and I was trying to fit those wheels on the car, and I had too big of a tire, and I flared out the shit out of the fenders. Yeah, maybe you could cut it down, do all that work, but I don't know.
Yeah.
That's one thing that bugged me a lot with the rear quarter panels.
Yeah.
As well.
So guys, that's a lot of body work plus that big gash in the frame rail. Like, is it really worth it?
And I lost motivation towards the car too. I just stopped doing shit to it.
So yeah, I mean, there's not really a point, guys, in like throwing shit on the car if you're just not gonna be happy with it. With this 240, guys, like everything he throws at is gonna be enjoyable.
I mean, I feel like there's way more parts to a 240 than a Civic, honestly.
That is true. If you guys have an EF, then like you guys know the aftermarket, like just the whole aftermarket for EFs is like really small compared to like my Civic or David's Civic. It's so small, and you have to kind of ball out if you want to go really nice aftermarket shit. So, but yeah, guys, we didn't talk about it because the audio was really messed up, but you know,
shit happens.
Yeah, and Leo does plan on picking up a EF sedan, hopefully down the future. So
next car I get that's a Honda has to be right-hand drive, because I really want a right-hand drive car.
So yeah,
I always wanted a right-hand drive EF sedan.
Imagine a right-hand drive EF sedan, guys. Yeah. Super clean body and all that. So he's not out the game. That's still a car he really wants. So, guys, part of being a car guy, I feel like, is owning a lot of different cars. So I mean, you can't hold on to the same car forever. So.
I'm doing with this.
Yeah, except this one.
Yeah. Oh, another. People are thinking like, oh, I'm not gonna bother with this car anymore. I mean, another issue is with the whole ECU thing. I kind of fucked up the board a little bit, and I don't want to solder that Nissan onto the ECU if this is going to give me issues. So I might rather get another ECU, which what I might just do just to get it running is get a JWT ECU.
What's that from?
I just know the abbreviations to it. I always forget the name. But he's actually out in San Diego, so I might just get that. Have him put a base map on it or something just to get it running and driving.
Yeah.
While I search up for another ECU, because I think to put in this tune, it's kind of ECU specific.
Oh, okay, I get you.
So, yeah, so being the whole like $300. So I'd rather just, yeah. Oh well, live and you learn.
Yep. Rip to this gnarly wheel.
Oh, a little side note. I did pick this up from a guy at work. He just pulled up and said, "Hey, I got a steering wheel." And I asked him, I was like, "Oh, what kind of steering wheel is it?" And he hands it to me, and I grabbed it, and it's a fucking Nardi.
How much did you pick it up off of him for?
He asked, I was like, "What do you want for it?" And he's like, "Just give me whatever you want." I was like, "I got $10 in my pocket," and he took it.
Damn.
Yeah, so I picked up this Nardi for $10.
And it's fucking authentic, guys. Which is crazy.
Made in Italy, and then Nardi right there.
So yeah, guys, whatever. It's not like he spent, you know, $200-300 on it. So I guess sanding it doesn't really hurt him that much because he did only pay $10 for it, regardless what it is. I mean, so. But it is gonna look so dope with the dark red varnish, that cherry red. But yeah, we'll come back and check on Leo in a bit. Got the wing out here in the oven. in the outdoor oven. Still don't think I'm gonna touch it quite yet. It still looks a little sticky, so probably gonna let that sit for maybe 15-20 more minutes. Alright guys, wing has just baked in the sun for about 30 minutes, so I'm about to hit it with some clear coat and hopefully it comes out good. And we're still gonna buff it after with that and some ribbon compound, so hopefully it looks good, guys. It's already looking pretty decent, so pretty confident, pretty damn confident. Guys, things took a very sharp left. And then a U-turn. And then I busted a few illegal U's. I'm out of here. The fuck do you want? Get the camera off me.
Stop. I'm not in my best outfit.
Dude, fuck females. Fuck.
Amen, sister. I hate females.
Dude, fuck that duckbill. Like, oh my god.
Eddie. You want to marry? Dude, I feel like all of our stress would go away if we just fucking marry each other.
How it comes out, how it comes out. My driveway! Just washed her. Carbon fiber looks so good when it's nice and clean and just straight up in the sunlight. Also, here is the trunk, guys. Really good look. So yeah, guys, I did say I was gonna paint the duckbill and throw it on, but I actually got hit up if I wanted to get the duckbill painted professionally in the S2000 black. So yeah, I'm gonna drop off the duckbill either today or maybe Monday, hopefully. So yeah, for now I'm rocking the wingless look. It looks a little weird because the third brake light is supposed to go there, but it's not too bad, guys. It's gonna look so sick with the duckbill painted. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this install. If you guys are new, please subscribe, and if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. So yeah, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Maybe a 240 video, I'm not sure, but yeah, see you guys later.